Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for the Royal Latin School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Founded in 1423, the Royal Latin School is a mixed selective grammar school and sixth form with a long history. The school has existed continuously for nearly 600 years. It has moved premises 3 times and even received a royal charter. The school specialises in science and as a training school. The Royal Latin School was graded as outstanding in 2009 by Ofsted. The school has a total of 1,290 students with 174 places available for Year 7 entry. The number of applicants per place varies each year, but only around 30% of the applicants pass the exam. The exam style used for the Royal Latin School is GL assessment. The specific areas tested are English, Maths, Verbal Reasoning, Non-Verbal Reasoning and Spatial Reasoning. There are 2 45-minute exams. The pass mark is 121 or above. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy and contact information are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 11 Plus application.